So we're doing a Flexbox here, and I'm just making sure I'm recording. And the code we're working out of is on GitHub at goes to 11. That's my user account, and it's a HTML CSS bootcamp. And follow me on Twitter if you want to, I'm tweeting about like front end, back end web development and life, other things. So there's my Twitter stuff. And if you want to find all these videos, you could YouTube either Greater Commons or Todd McLeod. Those are my YouTube channels. Okay, you got all the information you need to know. Flexbox design pattern. Y'all ready? So let's do the div. And then this one will just have an ID of S1. And we'll do another div. And this one will have the ID of S4. And then we'll do two more divs. And they will have the ID of S. Oh no, I guess we'll do 3. S $$ times 3. And we'll get rid of that one. There we go. And oh, I didn't want $, I just want $. There. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then main style sheet. Oh, not JavaScript. New main. And this one's going to be main. And then we'll also do a style sheet. Style. And put those over here on the right. And then maybe have things change. Put an immediate query at 600 plus. Now we need to link our style sheets. And we'll do main. And style. And 600 plus. And put a media query in there. And min width 600 pixels. So it starts in at a minimum width of 600 pixels. So for the styling, S1, background, color, red. S2, S3, red, orange, green, and then pound S4, border, 2 pixels, solid red. And then here, we'll do body, div, padding 0, margin border, border 0, and box sizing, border box. Anybody have questions so far? Is this what you did so far? Yeah. And so now what I want it to look like. So when it's mobile, let's have everything stacked on top of each other. So I need all my divs. First I need my body. Body, display, flex, and then flex direction, row, and flex flow. Sorry, flex direction, row, and flex wrap, and width 100%. I think the width is already 100% on the body. Let's find out. Border, 1 pixel solid, hot pink. Let's make it 5. Yeah, so we don't need to put a width on that. And we do need to put a height on these boys, 150 pixels. We can say minimum height. Can't be any smaller than that. They're all jammed in over there. So on those, we could give them a width But we'll call it flex basis, which is the flex way of saying width, and we'll give them all 100%. And I'm off the edge there, so I zero out the HTML. And padding, border. Why am I... I took it over. Why am I off the edge? Anybody have any ideas? HTML, body, div, padding, border, margin, 0? Interesting. All right. Then at the media query, so this was this should have been a style one. We'll put this on the style. And so now when we're at this size, that's what it looks like. Now what do we want it to do when it gets bigger? We will say S1, flex basis 30%, and S4, flex basis 75%. We'll make this one 25%. And these guys are still at 100. So they'll be taking up 100 inside this, which will be 75, and that will be 25. So this will be 100% of 75%. Pretty cool. What would I do if I didn't want this one to grow quite so wide? Maybe do flex grow or something like that on it. Make it grow less compared to the other one. How many people got this solution? Cool. You can get rid of the hot pink. And there's that red border around that one. It's pretty nice. I like it.